Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can design a poster in Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, it will be open. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on the search all templates. So let's click on this. And now simply we have to search for the poster design. So for example, I'm going to search for the poster, or for example, I'm going to write for the travel. So travel poster. And then simply we have to press the enter search. And after searching, as you can see, you are going to see a lot of designs, and all designs will be displayed here. And then you need to choose that which type of design you want to use. So as you can see the travel type, so as you can see the travel posters are here. Now we have to choose that which type of design we want. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on it, as you can see, we have to click on the remix this template. So let's click on it. And after clicking on it, you will be redirected to the editing mode, so you can change the picture, text and shape as well. All the things are editable. If you want to change them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to double click on this, and now in the bond I'm going to write the simple, and the simple was Turkey here. So let's write the Turkey. And now we have to click on this. As you can see now it's here. So in this way you can change that. If you want to download this, simply you have to click on the download, and you need to choose the format, that in which format you want, and after that it will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can make a poster in Adobe Express app. It's very easy to understand and it's very easy to use as well. So see you guys in the next video.